Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back. I am Sin. So in my last video, I shared how I started gaining 100 subscribers a week by doing just a little bit something differently. But I want to be real with you about something that I didn't discuss in that video. Now, before I made that change, I was doing everything right. I was posting consistently, I was editing my videos, I was showing up for my audience. And guess what? My channel still wasn't growing. I mean, no matter how hard I worked, the numbers stayed stuck. And I started asking myself, is it me? Is it my content? Is it not good enough? Am I wasting my time trying to build on YouTube? So if you've been feeling the same way, like you're doing everything you're supposed to do, but still not getting traction, this video is for you. I want you to comment down below if any of this sounds familiar to you. You're uploading regularly, but your views are stuck at 50, maybe 100 if you're lucky. You follow all the tips, better thumbnails, clearer titles, intros, still nothing. Nothing at all. I know it can be so frustrating. Here's what I finally realized, and it changed everything for me. I wasn't growing not because I wasn't working hard, but because I wasn't being clear enough about who I was helping and why. My videos were good, but they weren't focused. I was making content for everyone, so the algorithm didn't know who to push the content to. And the worst part about it is my viewers didn't know what to expect from me either. So this is what I did. I made 3 small but powerful changes. I got focused on one problem my audience was facing. And for me, that was, why isn't my channel growing? So I made video after video after video that tackled different parts of that question. Also, I stopped chasing trends and started building my own lane. No more jumping around. I just stayed consistent and focused on solving one pain point problem at a time. I treated my channel like a system, not just a passion project. What really helped me out is that I started planning my content that built momentum. I started using clearer titles that solve real problems and learning from my analytics instead of ignoring them. And that's when things finally started moving. Not overnight, but week by week, 100 new subscribers, 400 a month. Let's take a quick break before we wrap this video up. Now, if you're like me and you film videos every day, go live, or just want to look put together without busting out the iron every day, let me put you on to something. Now, I've been loving this lately. This Europower handheld gourmet steamer. It's small, it's super easy to use, and heats up very fast, okay? When I tell you I run this thing over my clothes really quick right before I get ready to record, it gets all the wrinkles out in minutes. No ironing board, no hassle, baby. This right here, this is what Sin uses every day before she gets ready to do a video. Check it out. So like I always tell you guys, this is a journey, not a sprint. No, it will not happen overnight, but you have to start somewhere. You have to figure out what's working and what's not working, or what you can tweak. The easiest way to know how to go about your channel for your audience, for your loyal base, is to ask them what type of content would they like to see from you. That is the biggest gold mine ever, okay? Ask your audience, what would you like for me to put on this camera? What would you like for me to show you? And they will respond, because if they love watching your content, they're going to make sure they can continue to watch you, so they're going to give you ideas. Also, in your comments, if someone asks a question or asks you, can you make this video the next time? Do it. Do it, okay? That way, you know what? That's a quick way. You don't have to worry about, what am I going to post today? Because your audience is telling you what they want to see. That's a quick video idea right there. So keep doing what you're doing. Don't give up. We're in a journey, not a sprint, okay? If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, knowledge is power.